My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. This is the second time I'm filming this intro, but today's video is going to be a video that I have never done before, and it is palette bingo. And I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jeffree Star Artistry palette. And so I was originally super excited about this, and then I got really nervous. And what I learned about myself is I do not like being out of control. It was really nerve-wracking not knowing what colors I was going to use, but it definitely got me to step outside of my comfort zone and try something new. And what I created is definitely not something that I would have created if I would have had free reign of all the shades. So, you know, maybe that's a good thing. But if you would like to see me playing with this new palette and just having some fun, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, so this palette has 36 shadows, and it is really pretty. It's a nice, mostly warm tone palette, but there's a good amount of some cool tone shades in there as well. And these shadows perform amazingly. They are so pigmented, and they are higher quality than any of the other Morphe palettes I've used in the past. Way better quality. And I'm just really impressed with the shadows that I did use, and I'm definitely going to be doing some more looks with this so that I do have control over. So those will be coming soon. Alright, let's get it. I ain't tricking, but I got a couple tricks under my sleeve. But now I'm kind of scared. I mean, this could go a lot of different ways, and a lot of them will be very, very wrong. So, I am asking for guidance from my spirit guides, and I know like there's different archangels that like help you with different things. I am so nervous about this. I got my Ask Your Guides book and looked up the different archangels. So I am going to be calling on Raphael because he is in charge of healing, overseeing its energy on every level, body, mind, and spirit. But he's also a good resource for boosting your creativity. So, Archangel Raphael, please help this number generator generate a look that doesn't look ridiculous. Help me out here, universe. Alright, so I'm going to be using a number generator and picking 5 different shades. And I'm really nervous now. I do not like being out of control. That's something I'm working on. But, alright, this palette has 36 shades. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. Alright. So the first one, we have number 14. So, ooh! And it is Mr. Diva. Alright. That is good. I was afraid I wasn't going to have anything good for a transition shade. So, here is Mr. Diva. Alright, so next, 18. Okay, and that is Don't Know Her, which is a pink shimmer. That's only 2 shades though. This could still go very wrong. But it's not going to because I got some assistance, right? Okay. Did I show you I know, I think I just watched it and then put my hand down. Alright, so the next one. Okay, I have number 4. And that is Channel. I thought it was Chanel for a second, but I'm like, no, there's 2 N's. Okay. Alright, I'm not hating this so far. Okay, I have 15. Which is Los Angeles. It's pretty. Alright, so one more. I have 30. That is Custom Rims, which is a metallic silver. Can you see that? It's not as pigmented. Oh, there we go. It was a little like powdery at first. I just had to go in a little harder. I have 2 shimmers, so that's what I'm having a hard time with. So I think, okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Alright, this is not at all what I would have chosen, but I guess that's the point of doing the bingo, to get you out of your comfort zone and to just use your creativity. Alright, so I'm going to take this Morphe E27 and I'm going to go in with Mr. Diva first. Mr. Diva and Channel are very similar, but hey, what are you gonna do? At least they're like very similar in the pan. They could be completely different on the eye. Alright, so now I'm just going to be putting that in my crease and using that as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Luxie 237 blending brush and go in with Channel. And just put that a little tighter in my crease than I put Mr. Diva. And I try to like look down and kind of make my eye space as large as possible. And then I'm going to go back in with my E27 and just blend the edges out. I'm going to take this Moda Triad brush and go in with Los Angeles. And put that on like the outer third of my eye. And I just kind of like stamp it. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Wow. Look at that. I'm really impressed. It's a really pretty color too. And then I'm going to slowly bring it into the crease. And then I'm going to take the Luxie brush and kind of blend that in with the other colors and just blend out the edges. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Go back in with Mr. Diva on the Luxie brush and just kind of go over the edges to make it really like blown out. I keep changing my mind about what I want to do. Okay, so I'm going to use custom rims and put that on the lid with this Farrah 10F concealer brush. Oh wow, that is super pigmented. It like goes on the eyelid so much better than it swatched than when I swatched it on my hand. Wow. I'm really impressed. Because I have some Morphe palettes and they are not like this pigmented. Wow, that is really, really pretty. I use no glitter glue or anything. Okay, so the way I'm going to use the pink, Don't Know Her, is I'm going to do like a pop of pink on the lower lash line. So I'm going to do some liner first, and I'm going to use this ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Insomniac. It's like bright, like bubblegum pink. Put that on my lower lash line. This is like a super, it's really creamy. I really like this eyeliner. And then I'm going to take this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH43 like flat definer brush and go in with Don't Know Her. Clean that up with a makeup wipe. Alright, let me finish the top then. Actually, I'm also going to go in, I'm adding another color. I'm cheating, I'm sorry. I'm going to add some of this Self-Made, this pink, this matte pink. I just want to put a little bit of a matte color on top of that shimmer. Okay, and let me blend that out. Oops. Okay, so let me finish the top. I'm just going to go back in with some of that Los Angeles shade and deepen up the outer corner. Okay, I need to highlight the brow bone, so I'm just going to use Lynn, which is this like matte, like off-white. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm going to be trying to use the magnetic eyeliner and lashes again. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. I have finished my makeup. For my lip, I got a new YSL lipstick, a Rouge Per Couture lipstick in number 22. And it's like this like really pretty, like kind of bubblegum, like lilac pink, if that is such a thing. I just thought it was really unique, and I'm not gonna lie, at first I was not thrilled with the eye look, but now that everything is finished and the look, like in lashes, it just really came together beautifully, and I'm actually really happy with how it came out. I think it's super pretty. And yeah. I also did get the Jeffree Star and Morphe Set and Refresh Mist. It's Starberry Scent. So I have the original Morphe Setting Mist. I really do like. Sometimes, I don't know, the mist is so fine that sometimes I feel like hardly anything goes on. But it's a good thing that it's really fine, because then you don't have big blobs of, like, you know, setting spray in one area, and it gives a very nice, like, even light application of a setting spray. And I really do like the Starberry scent. It's not as strong as I was expecting it to be. It's very light, but it smells good. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this palette bingo, and I'm going to try and do more videos with look that are out of my comfort zone. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. Alright, I will see you guys next time.